Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's 7 days to Christmas and it's Vlogmas day 18. So today we're going to be making something very simple, and with the fabric I have here, it has been cut, and for this length, or should I say wideness, this is what 6 inches. While for this length, if you're making it for yourself or for your kids, you have to measure your head circumference plus 6 inches. Head circumference plus 6 inches for this length here. For me, I have 26 here, 26. So the first thing I'll be doing is taking to the sewing machine, and please, it has to be a stretchy fabric. It has to be a stretchy fabric. Yeah. So the first thing I'll be doing is take to the sewing machine, fold into 2 like this, and I'll sew on 0.5 straight down. So I've sewn it, then I'll turn it out. Okay, so after turning it out, I'll be taking to the ironing table to iron flat like this. So this is it I've ironed. So I'll be placing like this. So I'm tying it together. And you see what I did? Let me do that again. So I'm tying like this. So I'll take to the sewing machine to sew this place together. So I've sewn. We're turning it out now, and you see what I have. So I want to turn this. So use your hand to do the remaining, just to turn it and see, and hide the sewing. Yeah. So this is it. So this is a knotted headband turban. Yeah. So you can see it's so nice. Yeah, so all you need is just to use your hand to set it very well, and it's ready. So I have this. You can do for your baby too. It's for mother and child. Thank you guys for watching, and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.